After doing this, I'm gonna go to the workflow and go to the next options as the build dense cloud. Click on that and you will have this tab. As you can see here, we have different parameters that I'm going to explain all of them for you. First of all, I'm going to start with general quality. As you can see, we have a quality from lowest to the ultra high. Here we have a table showing what does this means. I mean ultra high. For example, its outcome, it's going to be with maximum details and also a speed of processing. It's going to be very slow. Then pay attention in choosing which one you are interested. The same things for high. We have excellent details and also slow speed. For medium one, we have a good detail. However, a moderate speed. And also we have a low one, basic details, and the fast processing it's going to provide for us. I'm going to use this one since I'm using this one in order to have a very fast processing because I don't want to increase the time of tutorial. As I said before, I'm putting on lowest one. Here we have different options again. Depth filtering. We have different options from disabled, mild, moderate, and aggressive. But I'm going to explain what does it mean. Depth filtering mode. For the first mode, we have a disabled that is saying that no filtering, and its usage for Clean Studio object scans. We have the second one as the mild, and it's kind of light filtering, and the usage is for high detail surface. The next one is moderate, and the role is for balanced filtering, and it's for most projects, and it's using as a default one in this software. The last part we have aggressive, and it's applying strong filtering, and it's very useful for noisy dataset. I'm using this one, moderate one, in this tutorial. Again, we have different options here. Reuse depth maps, calculate point colors, and calculate point confidence. If you want to use reuse depth maps, it's since we don't have any depth maps, I'm gonna, let's say, keep it out. However, I'm gonna go to the next one, calculate point colors here. It's the first one is gonna assign RGB color to each depth points, and it's recommended to keep it on. The second one is calculate point confidence. Again, a brief information for that is provided here, and it's storing confidence value for each point and can help to clean noise later, and it's recommended to keep it on too. When you arrange all of this, you can click on OK. It's going to take a while in order to build dense cloud, and we have to wait until that done.